What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to use quick tasks on TaskBot, and I guess just quick tasks in general for monitors. So we have TaskBot open here. We're going to go to Advanced and Quick Task Settings. So first thing you want to do is enable Quick Task. Select a billing profile, a size, and then username and password for sites that require it. This is going to be used on sites like Undefeated and others that require login. Obviously, if you have different logins for those sites, then that's not going to work so well, so make sure you have the same username and password for all of those sites. I think mainly Undefeated is going to be the big one that you're going to have to worry about. So as you can see down here, they've included what the link should look like for a quick task. So it's going to be this beginning portion with the URL. Obviously, you can see we have store in here and all that good stuff. So we'll click Save and Close. If you are not in a group that has monitors, you're not going to be able to use quick tasks. So make sure you're in a group that offers monitors in the first place, and if they do, see if they can incorporate quick tasks. This group is called GWAP. This is the monitor group that I run. It's really small. We just opened it up this week. But we do have quick tasks in here now. So let's go ahead and play around with these and show you how they work. So as you can see on a standard restock notification, you're going to have the original TaskBot link, which is just something like this, where we have the full link to the product. This is not an add to cart link, obviously. So that link is recommended by the TaskBot devs to use, just because there are some sites that may break if you don't use the full link, but you can use add to cart links as well. So as you can see here, because this is West MIC, TaskBot doesn't support that site, so we're going to get a reroute and says TaskBot doesn't currently support this site. You're only going to get this notification if you're part of GWAP. I don't know what other monitors are doing. But if we go down, so RSVP is a site that Task supports. If we click on Grade 2, it's going to open a link and then automatically start this task up here. Initially, Chrome might prompt you to, it'll say, are you sure you want to do this? You want to click yes and make sure that it doesn't prompt you again. Otherwise, you're going to have to deal with those every single time you click a quick task, and it doesn't make it so quick. So the reason for this is so that if there is some sort of restock, you don't have to rush to add a task, add the store, select the billing profile, select a proxy, all that stuff. You can simply be sitting in a monitor channel waiting for something to restock and go ahead and click it. So let's find another product that we can test this with. We can do blends. So as you can see in my quick task settings, I have size 9 selected. If you're using an add to cart link, which again is not recommended by TaskBot, but they do work for most sites other than Kith from what I found. What we're going to do is, even if we have size 9 selected, we can click size 11. It'll say size 9, but it is actually running for a size 11. So I'll show you that here. If we go to, so here's blends. As you can see, so this is the variant to the link I just selected, which was size 11, I believe. So if we open up this link here, view page source, and go to variants, you can see, what was that, size 11? Go to SKU size 11. Our variant should be here, I believe. Let's see, 551, yep. So that is the size. So it did, in fact, run for 11, even though we have size 9 selected. So just be aware that you can override that size if you're using a quick task add to cart link. If you're just using this standard link, it's going to run it for a size 9 or whatever you have selected. So if I click this, it's going to run size 9. And size 9 wasn't available on that site, so it won't even run for it. So, as I've said, you have to be in a group that has monitors and has also incorporated these quick tasks. If you're not in a monitor group that has that, or a group that has monitors, I highly suggest joining one. I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to join GWAP if you want to. It's $20 a month. We currently have TaskBot support. We have Cyber. We just haven't pushed it yet because Cyber hasn't updated, and we're about to add Project to Storage as well. But we cover a ton of sites. I think there's probably another 5 or 10 that aren't on here yet. Bots, we have a restock monitor for cyber right now for you guys who are trying to cop that on restock, and all kinds of stuff. So again, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's $20 a month. If you want to join a group that is also a cook group that has site lists and all that other good stuff, join SSH. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. This is a group that I'm in, run with a couple friends of mine, have about 100 people in it, and it's got a ton of information that you guys might need for all kinds of stuff. So if you just want monitors, join GWAP. Otherwise, I highly suggest some sort of cook group that has monitors with quick tasks in them. But yeah, other than that, leave any questions or comments down below. I'll try to get them as soon as I can. And if you're not in the TaskBot Discord already, go ahead and join that. I'll leave a link for the Discord invite below as well. So you guys can come in and ask questions, post success, all that good stuff. That'll be it. Thanks.